Okay, 5-minute auto pairing, a 2565 IM. Let's try a Smith-Morra gambit. Try and gambit pawn anyway, if he's going to accept a gambit of some sort here. Maybe I should. I'll take. Alright, what's that Queen's pawn scenario? So bishop G5 and something like knight E4. Knight E4 and bishop G5 come to mind. Is he going to strengthen the blockade at the moment? I'm not threatening anything because bishop H2, I'm not threatening to win a pawn, but right, he's thinking here. This is good. D5, Queen D3, Queen D3 for knight G5 might be worth it. Try and create some weaknesses and nothing else. Is the bishop going to just go back for that G5 square? Because knight G5, to force G6 might be something. Mind you, I guess he's coming in with knight A5 soon. He's stopping that. If I put the battery here before knight A5 grabs my bishop. Okay, H4, is that a move? Don't know how terrible that is. I've got a nice looking battery. Get a rook left in, like rook E4 to G4 or something. Knight E5. So I'm threatening maybe knight F7 potentially. Not really at the moment though. What about rook E3, bishop H6 and rook E3? That looks as though it could be fun. It takes on E5 though. Takes bishop H6 and rook E3. Takes on E5. That's the pain of it. Then what would I do? Maybe for a moment just bishop D2 for rook E3 and get the other rook in, and rook G3. Try and not lose too much material. He could go for H5 as well actually, with Queen H4. I'm not really threatening much, am I, at the moment? Queen H4 is a pain. We've done that. Okay. Okay, can I just... Oh, threatening actually Queen F5 is the threat here for that pin. So now I am actually threatening something. It seems like a comfortable position in theory. Maybe Queen... Okay, Queen G3 or something. Queen G3 here threatens bishop H6. But also F3 could be handy. Not we'll have a rook left though anytime soon. It still looks like a fun position with his f5. Taking on e4 I don't think really does much. Unless that's then bishop c2, I'm getting like exchange back. Yeah, I think that's fun to get that. I mean, a pawn for the exchange. Yeah.
Check.
Pawn for the exchange. The light square bishop doesn't look at all bad. Except that my queen is kind of, once I play f4, sort of fixing his pawn on e6. I think that's not too bad, surely. He's not going for that. If I get my queen, okay, that bishop is looking okay. I don't think I mind the queen exchange there particularly. Or should I have? Oh, this is dangerous. Get my king over to d3. Right. Shall I consider taking? He's got a nice blockade at the moment. What about just rook f1 on the cards? Taking on d5 here. And there's e6. Not sure that does anything. And bishop c1 here. Or rook a1. Rook f3 to g3. King f7, then rook g6. I think. Oh no, hang on. No, let's just defend this for a moment. Oh. Let's just play passively and lose. No, no. Okay, let's not play totally passively. I'm still connected, aren't I? Oh, I don't seem to be. Oh yeah, I am. Right, that's good news. So G5, is that any good? Bishop B2. So I can use the other. I can use the rook again. Then G5, maybe G5 here. Or here. This B4 is a bit of a pain, to say the least. I'm going to be losing a piece or something.
Check. Check. Check.
Oh, rook d1. Rook d1 looks strong. There's bishop b2 check.
Check. Check.
Holding the fort for a moment, but I'm down to 28 seconds.
Check.
Yep.
Time warning.
Oh well. Yep. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.